If you feel like your home is a little bit run down, this is what it could look like working with us. Take a look at this carport. They have the wide extended awning post, so you can fit really wide vehicles in here. So if you have a Cybertruck or a large Ford truck, you can fit it in there. But we're gonna enter through this way because I want you to see at the end the beautiful patio area with like a bit of a yard space. So check it out, this is the kitchen. We're entering through the carport. So this is the kitchen area. And then you have this formal dining space right here where you can have your dining room and whatnot. And this is the main entrance. So this is the great room, the grand room. Right when you enter, you have this large living space. Nugget and Lily are checking for any faults. But this fireplace is actually a gas fireplace here. Everything was just freshly painted. This white looks amazing. There's a 3-bedroom floor plan, but the bedrooms here are huge. This is the 2nd bedroom. And then we got the master bedroom right here with the his and hers sink and a shower. But let's go take a look at the yard. So this park is off of South San Jose. Let's enter this garden area. Wow. I mean, just look at this. It's like a cool little area to just hang out, have a barbecue. So this place was actually for, the owner had dogs, so you let the dogs roam. But anyways, if you're interested, if you know someone interested in a home like this one, or somebody that's looking for a dog-friendly mobile home, shoot us a comment, send this to someone. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.